Morning students, as in our earlier video we study about types of economies and the difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Today we are going to study positive economics and normative economics. So positive economics, what is positive economics? Positive economics. Positive economics is positive economics is that economics which study economic issues and economic behavior relating to the past, present and future. Relating to the past, present and future. Means it studies the economic problem of past, present and future. Positive economic statement can be verified on the basis of facts and figures. For example, on the eve of independence, poverty affected larger part of population. Okay, we study this statement that on the eve of independence, poverty affected means कि जो poverty थी वो ज़्यादा population उससे ज़्यादा affected थी. Large part of population was affected by the poverty. Then this statement of past, okay? क्या ये past की statement है? But this statement can be verified on the basis of fact and figure. Means can be verified on the basis of data. Okay? It is truth or false. Second, at present 22% of population is BPL. BPL means below poverty line. Okay? Below poverty line. Okay, हम ये statement हमारी क्या होगी? Present की होगी. This is the statement of present. That at present 22% of population is BPL. But this statement can also be verified that it is truth or false. Third, the percentage of population BPL will exceed 22% in the year 2022. We are saying that in 2022, the percentage of poverty in population will exceed 22%. It will be more than 22%. Then this is a statement of future. Okay. All these three statements are of positive economic statement. But it is most important to note that the positive economic statement are not necessary means truth. Okay? इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि ये statement truth ही होगी. It can be verified on the basis of facts and figure. Okay? Positive economic characteristics of positive economics is, first is that these statements can be verified. These are based on facts and figure. Facts and figures means on the basis of data. And third, these statements are related to observation of past, present and future. Okay? Positive economics statements are based on facts and figure. These statements can be verified. These are related to observation of past, present and future. So, positive economics is that economics which study economic issues, economic behavior relating to the past, present and future. Okay? Positive economics. In positive economics we study about what is. Okay? What was what type of situation in the economy. Means if we talk about the present situation, COVID-19 is going in all over the world, then the economy is suffering from the depression, financial crisis, etc. Then what is present? What is the present observation? And it can, if I am saying that at present time there is depression in the economy, it is false or true. It can be verified on the basis of figure and data. Third is what was. What was in past? What was the situation? And what would be? What will be the situation in 2025? Means I am saying that the India population will cross the China population in 2025. It may be false or it may be true, but it can be verified. So positive economic statements are those statements which can be verified and we study economic problem and issues related to the past, present and future. Okay? Normative economics is economics of what ought to be. What ought to be. Okay? It deals with the opinion of economists related to different. Normative economics deal with the what ought to be. It deals with the opinion of economists related to what economic issues or problem. We can say, for example, we take the problem of Manrega or issues of Manrega. Okay, when there was depression in the economy, that Manrega concept was given by many economists. Okay, all were not agree in this. That Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, but when it worked somewhat, that it was implemented. But also there is now at present controversy related to this issue. Like one economist says that Manrega will one day bring end to the problem of unemployment in the economy, and the second economist says that Manrega should not be pursued unless it ensures assets creation. And the second economist have opinion that Manrega should not be pursued unless it ensures assets creation in the economy. And the third says that it makes people unproductive. The third economist have opinion related to Manrega that it is waste of money, it makes people unproductive. So there is different views regarding related to one economic issue. So normative economics deal with the opinion of the economist. It is based on value judgment. Normative economics is based on value judgment. These are not verifiable. Okay, not based on facts and figure. Not based on facts and figures. Okay, so normative economics deal with only the opinion related to an economic issues or economic problem, but it is important to note that it is not necessary that the normative economic science statement are truth or false. Okay, it can be also it cannot be verified, but there is opinion related to an economic problem. If it can be implemented and it works, then it can be continued. So we study about positive economics and normative economics. I hope you got the meaning of normative and positive economics. Okay, got it? Okay, thank you students. In next video we will start the next chapter. Okay, thank you.